Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Google Data Studio, which is now called Looker Studio. So just like this one here, this is an example. Let me click on this page as well to show you the different things we could be doing. I'll show you how to do this from scratch. So this is your dashboard. Okay, you can either start as a blank report or you can use from one of these multitude of templates. They have a lot of different options, as you can see right here. So you can keep scrolling down, but I'll go ahead and create one from scratch. I'll come and click on create, and then I'll just click on report. Now the first thing they would ask you to do is add a data source. Now you can go ahead and use one of these different connections. Okay, so we can come here. You can see we have Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel. If I scroll down here, you'll see YouTube Analytics and different partner connections if you want to go ahead and import things from like LinkedIn ads, for example. But anyways, let's come here to my data sources. Let's go ahead and use one of these. So they do have a YouTube data example, so we'll work with that. Click on add. And the first thing I'll show you how to do, click here on add to report, is change the theme. Okay, maybe you don't like a white theme. So what we'll do is right click on anywhere in the page, click on theme and layout, and we'll see different options. Of course, you can customize this, but they do have a lot of preset themes. I like this one. Okay, this is more of a dark mode of vibe. And of course, keep scrolling down. It's almost endless, and choose whichever one you prefer. I will just go ahead with this one right here. Okay, and of course, you can always adjust the layout as well. Okay, you can also select from any of these. After you've selected your theme, the first thing I suggest you do is go ahead and add a control. And here I want you to come and add a date range control. Okay, click here, add a control, date range control. We'll place it right here. Okay, then we can set a date range filter. So let's say I would like to change this to last 30 days. Okay, we'll go ahead and apply this. And this would basically help you filter your data. So here, first I'll come and click on add a chart. We have different options, a lot of different options. Can have tables, scorecards, time series, bar chart, pie, Google Maps, anything, okay, from these options. First, I'll go ahead and show you how to add scorecards. So I'll use this template. Okay, let's place it right here. And we can change the dimension, okay, or the metrics that is being given here, okay, to us. So I'll click here, and instead of watch time, let's say I change this to views. And there we go, we have this number of views in the last 30 days. Let's go ahead and add another chart. This time, let's add a map, okay, right here. And I'll make this to be the country codes. Okay, you can also switch this to US state code, so you'll see where all our viewers are from, right? And also, I'll go ahead and add another chart. This one will be a pie chart. So I'll place it right here. And after this, I'll also show you how to title them. So there we go. This one would be views and country code. So this is showing where most of the views are coming from. So I have 35.7% of my views from the United States. You can see about 5,459 views. Okay, you can of course change this metric as well. And you can change it by date, by US state code. Okay, you can change it by any of these. And of course, you can adjust the style as well. Anything here is customizable. As you can see, you can change the colors as well. Now, to add the title, I want you to click on style and then click on show title. You can do the same thing for each. Okay, of course, you can change the color of the title as well. If let's say I want to make it a shade of blue, I can select that as well. Okay, let's go ahead and place this here. Okay, that is aligned much better. Of course, I can adjust the size of this as well, right? If I come scroll down here, I can align this to the center as well, as you can see. So you keep repeating the same process, add your data, and choose the metrics and the dimensions, and you can also achieve something just like this. So I hope you found this helpful. It's really that easy and simple.